We're on the Fujifilm stand at Photokina 2018 with Theo Georgiades, and we're talking about the new lenses that Fuji have announced at Photokina. So Theo, can you talk us through what the new lenses are?
Yeah.
Starting with the X system.
Yes, excellent. So we've got the new 16mm 2.8. That's a very small prime lens, matches up with a lot of the other small f2 lenses that we have as well. A lovely addition to the range. We have the new 16 to 80 f4 constant. That's a new zoom lens. This could be a lovely addition to the range. We don't have an f4 constant apart from the 10 to 24 that we've had previously, but this is a great compact zoom lens. I think the most exciting announcement though is the 33 f1. It's a very fast aperture lens. It just goes to show what you could be capable of with the mirrorless system.
So why have you released why are you releasing an f1 lens? Do you think there's a big market for a lens that wide?
I think we want to show and prove to the market what the key differences are between the DSLR system and a mirrorless system. And with a mirrorless system, especially with an APS-C system, you can push the boundaries in terms of wide aperture. We have a fantastic following when it comes to wedding and portrait and studio photographers, and we wanted to give them the ability to have a more versatile lens in a 33mm f1.
Also, there are some new lenses for the GFX system.
Yes, there are. We have the new 50mm f3.5. It's a pancake size. It's quite a small, thin lens. We have the new 45 to 100mm zoom and a 100 to 200mm zoom as well. So again, it adds to the whole range of GFX. And as we talked earlier, that we are invested in both systems to make them grow more and more.
Okay, thanks very much. So that's it from the Fujifilm stand. Come back to see more videos from Photokina 2018.